is here. Are you interested how to delete objects or people on your photo with one click? Well, then this tutorial is exactly for you, because today I will show you a new little update in the Photoshop that come out in May 2023 that will help us just in one click delete any kind of object or subject on the photo. And if you're interested, just launch your Photoshop and let's do this quick editing. So on the screen you can see the photos that I'm going to work on today. And let's start with deleting something simple and not so visible as those wonderful people on the background. To make a quick removing of those people, let's choose Object Selection tool. Click with left mouse button and just drag the area around the subjects to select them. Wait until Photoshop will do all job for you. And now you can see that just a bit of the subject are not selected. Let's repeat the same action. For this, just hold Shift and with left mouse button select the area around the part of the subject that was not selected. And now the moment of glory, just click Shift key and backspace on your keyboard and wait until Photoshop automatic functions will do all work for you and they erase the subject and automatically filled the area where the subject was located with a similar background. But if it's work for a little objects or subjects on the photo, how it's going to work with something more bigger? Let's find out. For this, I'm going to erase me and Max from the photo. Let's again repeat the same action, just click with the left mouse button and drag the area around the subjects. Wait until Photoshop will select the subject, and now let's click Shift backspace on the keyboard and ta-da! It was super quick and super easy. I'm still surprised, to be honest. If you really enjoyed this tutorial, just hit your like under this video and let me know in comments down below which next editing tutorial you would like to see on my channel. And thank you very much for watching this quick editing tutorial till the end. From you, big thumb up to this video. From me, many new editing tutorials in the future. So see you very soon. Bye bye.